You buy something new, but it doesn't feel right. Maybe the material is cheap. Maybe something breaks too quickly. You start to wonder what went wrong. Often the problem is this: someone tried to cut corners. So in English, the idiom cut corners means to do something in a cheaper, faster, or easier way, or by skipping important steps. So the end result is often no good. It usually has a negative meaning because the result is often worse when we cut corners. Let me show you how it works. We'll start with a basic situation, and then we'll move into professional settings where this idiom is also very common. Imagine someone is preparing for an important exam. Instead of studying carefully, they only read summaries. They skip practice questions. They avoid the difficult topics. On the day of the exam, they struggle. Why? Because they cut corners. They cut corners when they were preparing for the exam by not doing this and not doing that. That's cut corners. Now, this is a workplace example. The company is building a new product. To save time and money, they decided not to test it properly. They use lower quality materials. They skip some safety checks. At first, everything seems fine, but later problems appear. The product breaks. Customers complain. People say they cut corners. Here's a second workplace example. A builder. A builder is working on a house. To finish it faster, he uses cheaper materials and skips some steps in the construction. At first, the house looks good, but after some time, cracks appear. Things stop to work properly. And again, we say, he cut corners. You often hear this idiom in business, in construction, in everyday life, wherever quality is reduced because someone wants to save time or make money. So remember, cut corners means to skip important steps to save time or money, usually with a bad result. So don't cut corners.